for this.
Hi everyone, welcome to Sew It and Rock It with Curves. Today we are going to do a caftan. Let's get started. Okay, so what are we going to need? We are going to need a piece of fabric that is large enough, that's going to be the desired length for your caftan, and also wide enough to fit the widest part of your body. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take some measurements. You're going to measure the widest part of your body. For me, it's going to be my hip. So I measured my hip all around. And then after that, you are going to need the length of your sleeve. So from your shoulder down to a comfortable length after your underarm. Fold the fabric into lengthwise. After you fold it, what's the next step? After you fold it lengthwise, you are going to fold it the other way. So you take this tail, you bring it up. All right, so that's the way it's going to end up. It's going to end up like this. Look at that. The way you know that you have your fabric well positioned, you're going to have a completely folded side. You're going to have another side that has two different folded sides, just like this. This is going to be open with edges, and you're going to have another side that's open with your edges. This is your neck, this is the sleeves, and this is your hem. Now, the measurements that we took earlier is what we're going to do with them. Remember I told you the wider part of your body, for me it was my hip, you need to divide it by 4. So go ahead and do so. And we're going to measure now the width of your caftan. You know a caftan, you need to feel comfortable in a caftan. So don't make it too tight, but you can make it as tight as you like. But for me, I'm going to make it a little looser. All right. So I'm going to take the width of my caftan. Do it here. Don't want to make it too loose either. And now, remember the measurement you took from your shoulder to your armpit and comfortably under your armpit. Well, that's going to be your arm. That's going to be the width of your sleeves. So that will be your armhole. So let's go ahead and mark it close to the length. And I'm going to put it right here. Okay. What's the next step? Our next step is you are going now to cut through the layers. You're going to cut the width of your caftan. You already mark it, it's right here. Quarter of your wider side of your body. So you're going to cut through it, and then that was the length of your sleeves, and you're going to go this direction to form your sleeves. So let's go ahead and do so. So let's cut through the layers. Look at this. Already looking like a caftan. So your sleeves, we haven't done the neck yet, but here's the hem. All right, I'm going to go ahead and make my hem straight. So when I add the white fabric to it, it's already straightened out. All right, so let's go ahead and cut the neck. You can make it square or you can make it round. I'm going to mess it up. Let's start with that. Funny. Almost done. Isn't it a quick project, but also a fun project, and it's also a creative project? And who doesn't like a caftan? What's left to do? Here you have it. We're going to sew the side, under the armhole, all the way down. You're going to sew the sides of it, all right? And your sleeve hem, go ahead and do your sleeve hem. And for the neck, you can do the hem of the neck, or you can play with it. I'm going to use some wig like that I have. Look at how pretty it is. You can put some piping. You can go ahead and put some embroidery for your neck. Look, you can put some here, or you can put some also for the sleeves. So I'm going to go ahead and do the sewing, and I will come back. And don't forget. That's all, folks. What a fun project. I had so much fun doing the Caftan. A few steps and a lot of different ways to be creative with your Caftan. You can use button, you can put a slit on it, you can different fabrics, whatever fabrics you like, and you can pair it up with a scarf, a vintage scarf. Just have fun doing that project. Upload some pictures when you're done. Once you're done with yours, upload your pictures. Don't forget, hit that button down below and subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss any of those fun videos that we bring to you every week. Get your copy of L'Immigrant from Amazon. Download it on Kindle if it's what you like. It's only $2.99 this week. Download it. I hope you are enjoying the author interview segments, and we'll see each other again next week. Bye.